The International Accounting Standards Board is responsible for the development and issuance of IFRS standards, including the IFRS for SMEs. In this video, I will provide a deeper insights into the IASB's role and its impact. If you're new here, I'm Yama, a certified management accountant working in the US with a master's degree in accounting and finance from the UK. On this channel, I simplify complex accounting topics like IFRS with clear explanations, practical applications, and real-life examples. So without further ado, let's get into the video. In addition to issuing IFRS accounting standards, the IASB is also responsible for approving IFRS interpretations developed by the IFRS Interpretations Committee. The members of the IASB are appointed by the IFRS Foundation's trustees. Currently, the IASB has 14 board members who are selected based on their practical experience, knowledge, and expertise in accounting and finance. The IASB board members are based mainly in the IFRS Foundation's London office, along with the board's technical staff and most of the operations teams. The IASB came into existence in 2001, replacing the former International Accounting Standards Committee, or IASC. IASC was established in 1973 and was responsible for issuing international accounting standards, or IAS. Before the formation of the IASC, each country followed its own accounting practices. So the IASC was established with the mission to draft a single set of international accounting standards for the entire global economy. The IASC managed to issue 41 IAS standards during its entire existence between 1973 and 2001. In 2001, the IASC was entirely replaced by the IASB. The transition from the IASC to the IASB was largely due to the part-time volunteer nature of the IASC members, which limited their ability to respond quickly to the rapidly changing needs of the global financial markets. In contrast, the IASB is now an independent and accountable board, with the majority of its members working full-time, ensuring a more robust and efficient standard-setting process. So, starting in 2001, the IASB took on the role of maintaining the existing IAS standards, as well as introducing new IFRS accounting standards. In June 2003, the IASB released its first standard called IFRS 1. They could have continued the existing numbering sequence and called it IAS 42, but they decided to start a new series, therefore naming it IFRS 1 instead of IAS 42. As of 2024, the IASB has issued 19 IFRS accounting standards. Currently, these 16 IFRS standards and these 25 IAS standards are in effect, and entities and jurisdictions that adopted IFRS are required to comply with these standards at all times. Of course, the IASB has other roles and responsibilities, such as developing and publishing educational materials on IFRS standards, undertaking research on standard-setting activities, and conducting post-implementation reviews of IFRS standards to ensure they are achieving their intended outcomes. The Constitution of the IFRS Foundation provides detailed information on the IASB's functions and responsibilities. You can download a PDF copy of the IFRS Foundation's Constitution from the link provided in the description below. It's important to note that the adoption and enforcement of IFRS accounting standards are the responsibilities of the national regulatory body of a country, not the IASB. So, once a country adopts IFRS, all publicly accountable entities within that country are required to comply with IFRS accounting standards at all times. But the responsibility of ensuring compliance with IFRS rests with the national regulatory body of a country, not the IASB. In terms of hierarchy and authority, both IAS and IFRS standards are equally authoritative. This means that IAS standards that are still in use holds the same level of authority as the newer IFRS standards. So both IAS and IFRS standards are treated with equal importance in financial reporting and accounting practices. Alright my friend, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have got value from it, then you will like this video where I talk about the global reach of IFRS. So go watch that next and I will see you there. Bye bye and take care.